Welcome to PPC Ad Editor tutorial. With PPC Ad Editor, previewing visually engaging HTML5 ads is now easier. This step-by-step guide will help you upload, preview, and share your ads effortlessly, ensuring they look perfect before launching your campaign. Choose Google Ads to ensure ads are set up for display across Google's network, including YouTube, Gmail, and Display Network. Choose the HTML5 option under Select Ad Format. Select Upload HTML5 zip archive under Select Data Source. Click the Continue button to proceed. Click Choose Files and select the zip files containing your ads. Select the files you want to import into the PPC Ad Editor. Click the Load button to process the uploaded files. If you need to delete any uploaded file, you can do so by selecting the Delete option next to the file before proceeding. Click Save Ad to save the uploaded ad files. Review how the ads appear on desktop, mobile, and tablet. To adjust your ad, click the Edit Mode icon in the navigation bar. To rename your campaign, simply select the campaign name field and enter your desired title. Click on the ad group name to modify it. Click on the Share icon in the navigation bar. Generate a direct preview link. Share the link with clients for real-time feedback. By following these steps, you can efficiently upload, preview, and finalize your HTML5 ads in PPC Ad Editor. This streamlined process ensures a smooth workflow, allowing you to deliver high-quality, interactive ads to your audience.